Well, I decided I needed legal help when a situation arose in my family. And there are some things that happens in families that they just can't handle.
Right.
So they need to consult lawyers. And I wanted a lawyer that was not in my hometown. So I called my son, who lived in Charleston. He was in law enforcement, so he did know a lot of people. So Hughey Law Firm was the ones that he gave me their number to call. I called them, made an appointment, was on my way to the appointment at a flat. Nathan met us on 76, on 26, and fixed the flat. You know, and then we went from there to the office, and he made us very comfortable. I told him my story, and he said, Miss Mary, sound like we can help you. He told me what I needed to get. I gave him what he needed, and they called me back in a day or so and said, we have a case. Well, after speaking with Nathan, that was a given. I mean, he has a wonderful personality. He's a people person. He's very professional. He made us feel important. You know, he made us feel like, well, actually, we've known him for years. And Jonathan was the same way. I mean, but sometimes we talk 10, 15 minutes about different things before we even get into the case. But the way they handled their business made me want to use them. The Hughey Law Firm took the burden off my shoulders, because this situation I couldn't do without a lawyer. And with the Hughey Law Firm, they walked me through every part of the case. They explained to me what was going on, what the process would be, and after explaining things to me, they tell me, don't worry about it, we got it. And they had it. They were very easy to approach. All I needed to do was call. The receptionist, the young lady that answers the phone, very friendly. The young man that answers the phone sometimes, very friendly. Everybody was so professional. And everyone seemed to care about whoever was on the other end of the phone. And I always got that phone call back. If I called, they didn't say, well, we'll call you back and nobody gets back in touch with you. Oh, I got the call back. Well, they gave me their number. I could call them anytime. I had Nathan's cell phone number. You know, he said, if you call the office, you can't get me in the office, call my cell phone, leave me a message, I'll call you back. He said, sometime I'm in between cases, I'm traveling, I'm doing this, that, or the other, but I promise I'll get back with you. Kept his word. He did. Yes, they fought for me and my family, because this was a family involved case. Because there were times, you know, when I was, you know, just forget this. And they told me, Miss Mary, that's what they call me, Miss Mary, we got it. We got this. All we need to know is that you want us to continue. I said, well, go for it. Very satisfied with the results. They did a wonderful job. They did for me what I could not do for myself. So, yes, very satisfied with the results. I would recommend Hughey Law Firm to anybody for any reason whatsoever, because they're very professional. They're not boxed in the type of law that they practice. So, yes, I would recommend them for anybody.